I thought we would bring you all along today while we milked Marigold for her evening milking. We're still milking twice a day. And I also thought we would do a little update on the calf since you guys haven't really seen her. Hi, honey. Oh, yes, you'd like your attention, I know. You gonna come with me? Come on, Marigold. I gotta go take you guys to the baby so you can see her. We've been separating her for about 4 hours, 12 to 4 every day. And here she is in her little stall all by herself since 12 o'clock. Oh yes, are you so sad? But just by separating her for 4 hours, we've still been getting 2.5 gallons a day.
At least 2 gallons plus,
Yeah, so we don't need to separate her longer than that right now. But eventually we'll work her, do not hit me. Eventually we'll work her up to being in the stall for 12 hours at a time. And we're also...
She's about to become number
5. We're about to tag her. And that's exciting.
6th cow with Buttercup, but...
7th. Mo.
7th Mo, right.
It'll be our 7th cow. It'll be our 7th cow that we've ever kept here.
Right.
But, you know what I was just thinking about? This is the record for the most cows that we've had at one time.
Yes, I know.
That's cool.
Yep.
That's awesome. Right, Patty? Is that awesome? So we put her in this stall and then we milk in this stall. So it's nice because then the baby and mama can interact while we're milking, which also helps us get the drop. You're being such a good girl. Oh, look, it's all done.
That's it.
That was really
Bam.
Easy. See? He's
That's how you
okay.
tag him.
She's mad at me. Are you mad?
And supposedly, it's almost like an ear piercing. Like
It won't hurt for long.
It stings a little bit when you first do it, but that's...
Now we'll just watch that for the next couple days for signs of infection, but most of the time it doesn't get infected. It rarely does. And there's number 2.
You just gotta make sure that they move.
And
like
number
this.
4.
A little bit, give them a little quarter turn. And there you go, number 5.
Hi, pretty bit.
There it
Oh,
is.
you're so pretty.
Look, number 5, everybody.
There's
Welcome,
number 3.
5.
Number 1's not coming over because she knows she's supposed to be
Yep.
milked. Let's go
Anyway,
get number 1.
Gotta tag them in case
Hey,
they
what
get out.
are you doing over
Hey,
there?
Hey.
Slurpee. Do not lick the milk bucket.
Oh, it's-
Hey.
Hey. Hello, how are you? Hi. Hi, did you come over to get milk? Huh? Did you come over to get milk? You got lots of milk?
You ready to go get in the milking stall? So he just tried to hit Joshua and look what happened. He just got in trouble with the matriarch,
Yeah. Uh-oh.
with the queen bee.
Uh-oh, it's a standoff.
That's why you don't hate her people.
Oh, look. Look
I know
out.
he's being
He's got his foot up. Look. Whoa.
So when this happens, we just sort of like just step back and let it happen
gotta
because
let it
you don't
happen.
want to get involved in this. They're too big.
And it happens, I'm sure, when we're not here all the time.
Mm-hmm. And it's a good way for them to determine who's in charge.
I think they know who's in charge.
Well, Marigold's in charge right now, but he's eventually going to be in charge. I don't know what this has been, but someone maybe tell me why when almost every time we milk now, he comes and he lays in front of the gate where Patty is. I don't know why that is. He has been very sweet. They nap together sometimes. Also, we call Snowball the babysitter because he hangs out with her a lot. And Slurpee is Slurpee. All the way over there. We did a milking video once and we did not wear gloves then, but we do now because we But right now it's just been easier. We get what we can out, and if she still hasn't dropped, we'll bring Patty here in, let her nurse just until she drops, then we'll clean up our udder again and get the rest out. All right, come on, Patty. So this is what we do. We're just gonna open this gate, and he's not gonna get up because he's stubborn. Come on. Move. Thank you. And then I will stand here in between the two gates, and she can walk through. There she goes. She knows the drill now. We've been doing this quite a few times.
Yep.
And I'll close this gate. And little girl here should go nurse.
She will.
Ma'am. She's too busy playing with the minerals.
Nice,
take her off.
That would
Okay,
take
so-
her out. Okay, so now we pull the baby off. You can see the teats are all swollen.
There we go. That's more what we were expecting right there.
Now we'll probably get a gallon and a half maybe out of here.
Yeah, and
If
then we're
we're-
nursing
yeah,
in,
if it's a good night, we will.
yeah, we're still milking in the mornings too, and we're still getting a gallon in the mornings too. So I don't know how we're still getting a gallon in the morning because she's growing like crazy and she's nursing like crazy. But there must just be that much milk in there. Move it
Not
into
very
this.
much.
Move it into this bigger bucket.
Oh, I'm not nearly done.
So that she doesn't spill it. It's over in the corner where she can't get to it. But this way we can just milk, like we milk probably what, about a half gallon into the bucket at a time.
Yeah.
And then we dump it into this big bucket with a lid. Here you go, Marigold. A little bit of alfalfa and grain there. Grain for energy and milk production, and alfalfa for calcium. Right? Yeah, she's a good girl. Patty, you want to come in? Look at these two fighting over food. For the record, that is Snowball's food. Little Moo just thinks he deserves it. Oh, you gonna come nurse now? She still doesn't know how to get into the stall. She keeps trying to climb in over there. Seems like all I had to do was walk away for a second, and then baby came in to see what mama's eating, and probably she's gonna nurse now. Yeah, oh, there she goes. Yep, she's back there on the udder now. See. Well, thanks for joining us for checking on Patty and tagging her and milking Marigold. Make sure that you guys are subscribed if you haven't already. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let us know what your favorite part of the video was, or if there's something you'd like to see more in detail next time. And Dad was suggesting maybe incorporating some live cow milkings. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. And we'll see y'all soon.